So now we have created a folder, select value from drop down. Okay, so you can see by default whenever I add any folder, it is creating a .init file. Whenever you create any init file underscore init file, so it will consider this folder as a package. Okay, now we'll create a file. Test select drop down. Okay, select drop down and let's start. So from Selenium import WebDriver, from Selenium .webdriver.common .by import by, from selenium.webdriver.support.wait import WebDriver wait. Selenium.webdriver.support import expected conditions as easy. Okay, now we'll initiate the driver. So WebDriver dot Chrome to set the path executable is equal to okay. So now driver dot maximize window, it will maximize the window. Driver dot implicit wait, we are setting the implicit wait for 10 seconds, and driver dot let's say get URL we are doing here, so we'll do in the test case, don't worry. Okay, now we'll find out. So we have one website to test on which we will do the testing to test the Selenium drop down, or we can say website drop down. Selenium.com. Okay, so these are the drop down we are going to pick. Okay, and we have to import the select class as well from selenium.webdriver.common.ui. Import select. First of all, just identify the drop down here. So you can see this is a video down. Now we'll select the values, select object. Now select by. So there are three different options available: select by value, select by index, and select by visible text. So let's say select by index. So I'll provide the values as 0. So it should select the 0th position index, and yeah, so it should select that one. So once I'll select that 0th position, so it should select the please option, this Sunday one. Okay, this Sunday it should select. So let's run the test case. Navigate Pytest -v. Test select drop down. Let's run it. So it is the 0th position value. Okay, so by default select option is a 0th position value, so we should select the other option like 1. Let's run it again. Okay, now you can see the Sundays has been selected, right? Now if I want to select by index, now we'll select by some other options. Select by value. Okay, so each option has some the value here. So you can see the values are here, and the options by default value consider. Let's say values Wednesday. So on Wednesday, and I'll put some time between that, so you can see the what actually things are selected there. So and then select by index and that visible text. So again, the index of visible text will also take example of that. So visible text is, let's say, Saturday. It is a text and the value is same. So these three values should be different. So first it should select Sunday, then Wednesday, and then Saturday. And afterward we can do the driver.close, which will close the browser for us. Yes. Okay, let's do it. Now run the test case. So you can see Sunday has been selected, then Wednesday, wait for 3 seconds, and then Saturday. We did not put a wait after selecting the Saturday, so it's directly close the browser. So let's put the wait, and then you can see the Saturday also selected. Okay,